So if there's one thing I want you to take out of this video is this: you do not need to put yourself under constant pressure to get healthier. You do not need to end your workout. You do not need to punish yourself into fitness, and you do not need to be perfect. So in today's video, I just want us to talk about something I feel like a lot of us struggle with silently, and we don't talk about it enough. And it has a lot to do with the amount of pressure we put on ourselves when we are trying to get healthier. Maybe because along the way we have started to believe that if we are serious about our fitness journey, everything has to be intense. The workout has to be intense, the diet has to be strict, the motivation has to be high every single time, and the result has to come quickly. And when those things aren't happening, we start feeling like we are not doing enough. We start feeling like we are failing. We start feeling like we are behind. And honestly, I think that's one of the reasons why people end up quitting. Not because they are incapable, not because they don't want the result, but because they are tired of carrying all that pressure. And if I'm being honest enough, I kind of like understand why this happens. Maybe because we are constantly seeing transformation stories, people posting pictures and videos of them losing weight too fast, people saying that they exercise every day, people saying that they wake up by 5 a.m. to work out, people constantly showing perfect routine. And without even realizing it, we start comparing our ordinary life to someone else's highlight reel. So now by the time we are done digesting all of these things, we feel like we are lacking on. Everything starts feeling small. Even a 20 minutes walk that should get you results on a normal day starts feeling like you're not doing enough. A short workout starts feeling like you're not trying. And making a healthier choice starts feeling like a struggle. But here is the thing: small doesn't mean useless. And I think a lot of us needs to hear this. Because when you put too much pressure on yourself, something interesting happens. Exercise stops feeling like self-care and start feeling like punishment. You stop exercising because you want to feel good and start exercising because you're afraid of falling behind. You stop moving because you enjoy it and start moving because you want to make up for everything. And eventually that pressure is going to become exhausting because nobody can keep operating under constant pressure forever. Not mentally, not emotionally, and not physically. What we should do instead, I think we need to change the way we look at exercise. Instead of asking what's the hardest exercise I can do, maybe you need to start asking what's the workout I can realistically keep doing. Because sometimes fitness advice makes it sound like every exercise needs to leave you dripping in sweat and completely exhausted, and that's not true. So here is how I want you to approach exercise. Some days your best workout might be you doing a full body workout. Some days your best exercise might be you going for a walk. Some days your best might be you stretching, and some days your best might be you simply resting because your body genuinely needs it, and that's okay. Movement doesn't count only when it is hard. I think one of the biggest mindset shifts I have had is realizing that something is always better than nothing. A short workout is better than a no workout. A 10 minutes is better than a 0 minutes. A walk is better than sitting down all day. Because progress isn't built from something you do once, it is built from something you do consistently. And sometimes the habits that seem small are actually the ones that last the longest. So if there's one thing I want you to take out of this video is this: you do not need to put yourself under constant pressure to get healthier. You do not need to end your workout. You do not need to punish yourself into fitness, and you do not need to be perfect. Sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is to give yourself the permission to start from where you are. To do what you can and trust that small efforts repeated over time are enough. Fitness shouldn't feel like a punishment. It should be something that supports your life and not something that makes your life harder. So in the comment section, I want to know, do you put so much pressure on yourself when it comes to exercise or weight loss? And please be honest, because a lot more people struggle with this than we realize. So see you in my next video. Bye.
I just had to let you know you're